Hello and welcome to pH Physics. Today's explainer is Boyle's law. Pressure times volume is constant for a fixed gas at constant temperature. By the end of this video, you'll know the formula and where it applies. Boyle's law. For a fixed mass of gas at constant temperature, pressure and volume are inversely proportional. P times V is a constant. So P1 times V1 equals P2 times V2 between two states. Three things. 1. Only works at constant temperature. If T changes, use other gas laws. 2. Fewer particles per unit volume means fewer collisions per unit area per second. That's the particle level explanation of why P drops as V rises. 3. Works for any ideal gas approximation. Most everyday gases are close enough. Common slip. Applying Boyle's law when temperature is changing. If both P and V are changing and T is changing, you need the combined gas law or just careful thinking. Quick example. A gas at 200 kilopascal occupies 0.4 meter cubed. Compress it to 0.1 meter cubed at the same temperature. New pressure equals 200 times 0.4 divided by 0.1 equals 800 kilopascal. Volume quartered, pressure quadrupled. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.